Oh yeah,
So good.
guys, this is my brother Tyler. He came here with me from America.
To eat pizza.
Yeah, he's just eating my pizza.
Oh, that's delicious. Oh, my God.
All right, guys, it's Mike Fitzik again, aka Pizza Jew. I'm going to show you guys how to make a jalapeno pesto pizza with pecorino sour cream. So first, we have to make our pesto. 5 jalapenos, 2 cups of basil, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2/3 a cup of olive oil, and some salt to taste. So we're going to put that in a food processor and blend it up. The sour cream is going to be very basic. It's just going to be sour cream with pecorino romano folded inside of it. All right, so we're going to pull out our dough shells we made earlier. Just press it out. I first made this pizza at a restaurant I was working at. I had a bunch of leftover ingredients and just a bunch of good ideas. And so I mixed it up and it worked out good. So we're going to put some fresh mozzarella on here. We're going to put our jalapeno pesto that we made. Not a lot, it's very spicy. And then a little pecorino romano on top just to cover it up. Slide it onto your peel and into the oven it goes. So as we're cooking this, we're going to kind of look for this little tan that starts to come. You got a little, not burnt, but just a few little speckles of crust getting cooked, you see there? So that's what we're looking for. Once it starts to look like that, she's done, move it. There you go. And we're gonna get the sour cream with the pecorino romano that we have folded inside. Each slice gets a little dollop, and there you go. You have your jalapeno pesto pizza with sour cream pecorino. Delicious. And into the oven it goes.